Have you ever wondered why we travel? Why we're drawn to walk in new neighborhoods and experience new sights and sounds? Why we're drawn to share new experiences with friends and explore new countries, new streets, and new neighborhoods? What awakens in us when we're walking through these faraway places? Inspiration drops in. Our perspective shifts. We feel things deeply. The change in backdrop highlights something for us, helps it stand out. Why do we seek out nature? What do you feel when you walk through a forest? As you look around and realize the scale of life itself has shifted? Why is it that our minds become more free? Perhaps we're returning back to our natural rhythm. We're tuned in to awareness. We see the power and the flow all around us. We feel part of the energy field. We take it in. There's a melting. We explore more. We stop and gaze. We feel something deeply: awe, connection, reverence. We commune with nature. We take a breath. We don't need words. A doorway opens. Something within us wakes up. A doorway to possibility. A doorway to connection. A new perspective drops in. If we look up, look down, look closer, we don't even need to go anywhere to see it. Maybe it's right under us. Reconnect with what lights you up. Sometimes it's the spectacular surroundings that jolt us into connection with those parts of us. Look around though. There's always a glimmer. There's always something shining. A leaf, a flower, a raindrop, a sunset. Look around today and see what that is for you.